If you've ever looked at families' photos hanging in your grandmother's house and wondered why some portraits become treasured heirlooms while others get forgotten, there are three specific elements that make all the difference. Most families think it's about finding a good photographer and getting everyone to smile nicely. But creating artwork that lasts for generations, that requires a completely different approach. After creating museum-quality family artwork for over 20,000 families, I've seen exactly what separates portraits that become family treasures from those that end up getting stored away. I'm going to share those three elements with you right now, and you'll understand why some family portraits become the most treasured possessions family owns. Most families think a great portrait means everyone's looking at the camera with perfect smiles, but heirloom portraits capture the authentic connection between family members. The first element is understanding that your family's story, the way that your daughter leans into you, how your husband's eyes light up when he looks at your children, that's what makes a portrait worth treasuring. We spend time getting to know your family's unique dynamics before we even pick up the camera, because those genuine moments can't be forced. When we focus on capturing your family's genuine love and connection rather than rushing through the process, we create artwork that shows and tells your unique story and makes you smile every time you see it. The second element is understanding the difference between creating photographs and creating heirloom artwork. Most portrait sessions result in digital files or basic prints that fade, crack, or get lost over time. But we create museum quality artwork using materials designed to last 150 to 250 years. Every portrait goes through multiple rounds of careful editing and crafting to ensure it becomes a piece of art, not just a picture. When your great-grandchildren inherit your portraits, they should look as beautiful as the day they were created. And this investment is in longevity and quality, and it separates true artwork from just photographs. The third element is that creating family heirlooms requires an experience that matches the significance of what you're preserving. From the moment you walk into our studio, which feels like a beautiful home, not a business, you're treated like a celebrity. You are family to us. We have our princess dressing room where children can choose from designer gowns and feel truly special, and everyone receives the red carpet treatment because this day is about celebrating your family. We show you your portraits over Zoom and what it would look like life-size. Family's artwork displayed properly helps you understand its true impact. When the entire experience feels like a celebration of your family rather than a rushed appointment, that joy and love shows in every single portrait, and the memory of creating the artwork becomes just as treasured as the artwork itself. If you've ever been disappointed with family photos that ended up in forgotten drawers or on your phone, you don't have to settle for that. After more than 14 years creating museum quality family artwork and being trusted by over 20,000 families, I know these three elements make all the difference between photos that get stored away and heirlooms that get treasured forever. If you're ready to create artwork that captures your family's true story and lasts for generations, I have a special opportunity available right now. You can learn more about it in the link in the description below. If these three elements showed you what's possible when you focus on creating true family heirlooms, I would love to preserve your family's story in artwork that will last generations. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe because I share more insights about creating timeless family heirlooms that tell your unique story.